Hello everyone!
Hi.
Welcome to another episode of Daddy and Me, and today it is another toy review. The girls are so excited they can't wait, so let's get right into it and see what toys we're going to be reviewing. Bring them in!
What? What?
That didn't work!
Dad!
No! Let's try this again! Okay, ready? Let's bring in these other toys. This is not a toy. Ready?
What?
Oh, man!
Dad, I think your thumbs don't work anymore.
They don't do that!
I have an idea. What about if we bring in the Smash gloves?
Okay. Put this on. Oh, I'm feeling it really good. Ready? Yeah!
Oh my gosh!
What do we have here?
Oh, the doggies! Oh, these are so
Open them up! Come on, rip it open! I'm gonna open this one. Oh, look what we have!
Oh my gosh!
Okay, so let's get that off, So, what do we have here? First, we have the very sought after, extremely popular, Gotta Go Flamingo. And we also have Zuru's Pets Alive, the sloth that flosses. And we also have another popular, very hard to find, the Boss Doll for LOL OMG. So today we are going to do a product review on these toys. Alright, so we've got the Gotta Go Flamingo, and basically what we have here is it's a flamingo that dances when he's gotta go. Do you dance when you gotta go? I know I don't, but anyways, it's a hot toy right now. Adelina was just so thrilled to get it. So how do you turn this thing on? How do you make it go? Like, it's still in packaging, we haven't unraveled it. Can you show us what it does?
Well, there's a start button that you press.
Oh, let it go! Oh, let it go! Oh, let it go!
If I had music like that every time I had to go, I just might be dancing when I gotta go. Pretty cool tune. All right, so what we're gonna do is the parent is going to do a bit of snipping and get this thing unraveled, and then Adeline is gonna start playing with it and tell us what she thinks about it. All right, so let's get right into it. Alright, so we've got all that packaging undone. It's pretty secure, pretty safe, so you might need a parent to help you if you're a child trying to get into the toy. So Adelina, you want to show us how to turn this on and what it can do for us?
Okay, so let me just. So there's a start button that turns it on, and
Press it. Oh.
Let it go! Oh, let it go!
Right. Can you turn that on?
Oh,
Oh, there's a switch.
There's a button right in the middle that can turn it off, and there's this button that can record you. And
What does it sound like when it records? Hello? Hello? Talk. Say something.
Hello?
Oh yeah, that works pretty good. All right, so, but what? Tell him to stop it.
Stop.
Okay, so let's put it into the play mode.
Okay.
Very good. There you go. So you put that there. And now what do we do? Can you talk about the legs? The legs are kind of weird.
Okay, they are gummy.
They're very gummy. Yeah, that's a good word to describe it. And what I think that's really cool is we've put them on a little bench, and these legs sort of help the flamingo stay in place. It's quite like firm. I think that's really, really cool.
Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please.
Okay, so now we have the flamingo's food. What are you gonna do with the food?
I'm gonna put it on.
Pour it in there, all right? Very careful. Save the food, he's a hungry flamingo. Very good. Excellent. All right. Now, I think we need to put some water in his toilet, because like every toilet, like when you gotta go, there's always water in the toilet, isn't there? Well, we gotta make sure. Okay, there's a little line there. You just fill it up to there, and put the toilet back on. All right, so can you put the flamingo back on?
Yeah. Put it back on.
Alright, so there's 3 modes like we said. He's in record talking mode, won't stop recording. Anyways, okay, so now I think he's hungry.
So I'm gonna open it now.
Yep. We pour it all in.
Not all of it.
We pour it all in. Yeah, I think we pour it all in. No, it'll just. There we go. Keep pouring more in. More in. He's a hungry guy.
Yeah.
How do we close that up? Oh, he's eating away. Oh! He's gotta on the toilet. He's gotta get on. There he is. So. Oh. It looked like he's trying to go. This is like.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness! Have you seen anything like this before?
Well, I know I.
Oh my! Is he still going? I think that's it. Wow. Okay. Well, very cool. What do you think of that?
That is so fun.
So funny, eh?
Yeah.
Off.
Okay.
Okay, very cool. So, can you place Mr. Flamingo back there? And like most parents, they gotta deal with the doo-doo. Right? So, supposedly,
Oh no.
when I take this out, like the doo-doo, when you take the doo-doo out, the food instantly dries and becomes edible again. Okay. Oh, this is so weird. Oh, look at that! It just, I can't even get at it. It just literally just like dries and flakes again. Wow, that is so cool. So what the package actually says was, you pour that back into this here, and there's like a filter, right? So the water comes out and the sand remains, and the sand dries up and becomes food again, and you feed him his food again, and he just continues to go, gotta go. That's how it goes. All right, so what did you think, Adelina? Did you like that toy?
Yes.
Yeah, very cool toy.
It was very funny.
A lot of fun. All right, so we're gonna continue to play with it, continue to have some fun. Adelina loves it. I think it's quite amusing. and you know, for like 20 bucks, it was a lot of fun. And the thing that I like is a lot of toys in the past, like the food, you'd have to buy it again and again and again. Whereas this stuff, as long as you don't lose it, you can just like use it over and over again. And Flamingo will have an eternity of food, so which is a great thing. So all around, good fun toy. We like it. You guys want to make it, any comments? Please do so. Like and subscribe. Look out for our next video. We've got some other toys that we're going to be reviewing. Thank you very much, Adelina. Time to say goodbye.